Welcome to Celebration and Honor channel. This channel is dedicated to celebrating global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, honoring the unsung heroes, professional bodies and organizations whose invaluable contributions often go unrecognized. Also showing solidarity with victims of injustice by amplifying their voices and sharing their stories. Want to know how peacekeepers risk their lives to protect millions? Please stay tuned till the end to uncover the untold stories behind International Day of UN Peacekeepers. Now today's celebration, International Day of Unpeacekeepers, theme, dedication, courage, and hope in building peaceful nations. On this International Day of UN Peacekeepers, we come together to honor the men and women who serve under the flag of the United Nations, working tirelessly to maintain peace and security in some of the world's most challenging environments. Peacekeepers are the unsung heroes who risk their lives daily to ensure that peace prevails, even in the face of conflict, violence, and unrest. Their commitment to building peaceful and secure societies contributes to the foundation of strong, stable nations and the well-being of millions around the globe. Whether they are protecting civilians, overseeing ceasefires, or helping rebuild communities ravaged by war, UN peacekeepers play an essential role in preventing conflict, fostering reconciliation, and ensuring a more peaceful world for future generations. The role of UN peacekeepers in society and nation building. The work of UN peacekeepers is vital to the fabric of society and the process of nation building. They provide critical support to countries emerging from conflict, helping to stabilize the situation, maintain security, and foster conditions for lasting peace. Their presence ensures that people can rebuild their lives, that institutions can recover and function, and that the process of reconciliation and healing can begin. They bring not only physical security but also hope, a hope that with their help, societies can transform from conflict-ridden regions to peaceful, thriving nations. Just a quick break. Please, if you are enjoying this, consider subscribing to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get updates on upcoming events. Subscription is free. Welcome back. Testimonies of Impact: How UN Peacekeepers Have Transformed Lives. Testimony 1. Grace, a survivor of civil war in Sierra Leone. During the civil war, we lived in constant fear. When the UN peacekeepers arrived, their presence was a sign of hope. They provided protection for my family and helped restore peace to our community. Thanks to their efforts, we were able to return to our homes and start rebuilding our lives. The peacekeepers didn't just offer security, they gave us hope for a future free from violence. I will never forget their courage and dedication. Testimony 2. Muhammad, a former refugee from South Sudan. As a young boy, I fled my country because of the conflict. The day the UN peacekeepers arrived, it felt like a weight was lifted from my shoulders. Their work not only brought safety but also allowed us to rebuild our education system. I now work as an educator in my community. Thank you to the unsung heroes of UN peacekeeping. We extend our deepest gratitude to the brave men and women of the United Nations who serve as peacekeepers across the globe. Their courage, selflessness, and unwavering commitment to promoting peace and security in conflict zones are invaluable. To these unsung heroes, we say thank you. Your work makes the world a safer and more hopeful place for millions of people. Happy International Day of UN Peacekeepers. Let's raise our glasses to honor the unsung heroes, the brave men and women of the United Nations. WHO serve as peacekeepers across the globe. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. Please, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, Titus Ogbe Ture. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next, the 30th of May International Day of Potato. The 31st of May World No Tobacco Day. 1st JUNEGLOBAL Day of Parent. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.